Next, we're going to discuss our ideal clients. So your ideal client in clinic, who would that be? So for us, we have three age ranges. We have between 18 to 25. We have a range around 30 to 40, and then we have 45, 50 plus. Okay, so someone that's young, they're looking for the full frozen face, they're looking for the big lips, the sharp jawline, the chiseled look. Then you would move on to the mid range. They're looking to just hold back of some years. They're looking to contour their face, no sharpness, just natural. They're probably looking to soften them fine lines and the wrinkles, maybe make them disappear, but they're definitely not looking for this kind of look like this. Okay. Then you would have your other clients that are at the top end of the range. They would probably be looking to restore some elasticity, so maybe PDO threads, looking to gain a bit of collagen in the area. Obviously, they know that they can't work miracles, they're starting a little bit later. However, you can start at any age and we can improve things, as we all know. So ideal clients then. So let's say if I have an ideal client and my one ideal client is 18 to 25, more than likely, where are they going to be? Probably Instagram, TikTok, yeah, places like this. So what we want to do is make sure that we put our posts out there for that client. So you might find that they've got some acne scarring or they've got active acne. We want to home in on that with that ideal client. So we would say on them certain platforms where we feel that they might be more, do you suffer with this or do you suffer with that? XYZ. As long as you're homing in on what you think that they might need, no matter what it is. So let's say you're doing a dermaplane, for instance. Have you got an event coming up? Are you going to your Christmas party? Do you feel like your makeup doesn't go on as flawless as you'd like it to? We've got a treatment for that. Dermaplane is the answer. You would give a little bit of information about dermaplane. You would explain to them what dermaplane is going to do and how it will create that flawless finish for their makeup for that Christmas party and make them look really good on their pictures. Okay, so your ideal client then would be someone that needs that treatment. So they would need a dermaplane because they have got an event to go to. Ideal clients. So just take a few minutes, sit down, have a think about what your ideal client is. Who is your most popular type of client that's coming in and what can you do for them? Once you've understood that, then we'll move on a little bit later and we'll move on to where we'll be finding these ideal clients, where we will find our existing clients are hanging out, to home in on those, to get them to come back into the clinic. They might not have been for 6 weeks. They've totally forgot to book in the next facial. We'll just give them that little gentle reminder in a later post. Okay, so think of your ideal client, where you think that they will be, what sort of age range they are, and maybe separate it. If you've got more than one like us, you can separate them into 3 factors and then you can put them into those little categories with what is wrong with them type of client. What are they looking for? So the younger generation, they want the big lips, they want the frozen face, they want the chiseled jaw. Okay, then you've got the next age range, mid-age range. They're looking to restore elasticity. They might be looking to create more flawless skin. And then you've got the upper age range. They want to increase that elasticity, definitely. They want to produce more collagen and they want to have a better condition for their skin. A little bit of tightening, a little bit of pulling here and there, and a few tweaks. If we can understand exactly what each client range is looking for, then we can understand what we can do for that client later on in the videos. Okay, I'll leave that with you for now.